In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan your week in ClickUp. First, open ClickUp and head to Home on the left sidebar. Home is your command center. It keeps you oriented and makes it easy to jump into the right area without hunting through menus. Next, open the Spaces section on the left and click the plus icon to create a new space. Think of a space as a dedicated container for a project or routine. For weekly planning, a fresh space keeps everything tidy and focused. Give your space a clear, memorable name and click Continue. Short descriptive names work best so you can recognize them at a glance later. You'll be asked to define your workflow. Choose the starter option for now. Starter is perfect for weekly planning because it provides a simple, lightweight status flow without extra complexity. You can always customize more later, but keeping it simple helps you move fast. Go ahead and click Create Space to confirm. Your new space is ready, and now you can start laying out the week. Inside the space, switch to List View. A list gives you a clean, linear way to see tasks and due dates, which is ideal for mapping a week. You can add more views another time, but a list keeps things straightforward. Click Add Task to create your first item. Type the task title and make it action-oriented, like Draft Proposal or Review Budget. Clear titles save you time when you come back to them. Set a due date so your week has structure. Open the due date picker, and if you're planning ahead, use the next week shortcut to quickly push the task into your upcoming schedule. If you already know the exact day, pick it on the calendar instead. Click Save to lock in the date. Add your next task by clicking. Add task again and repeat the same process. Type the task, set the due date, and save. Keeping consistent titles and realistic dates will make your week far more manageable. Continue adding tasks until your week is fully captured. If you're unsure about a specific day, the next week option is a great placeholder that you can refine later. Remember to click Save Wherever prompted so your changes are confirmed. That's it. Your space is created, your workflow is simple and effective, your list view is set, and your tasks each have a due date. You now have a clear plan for the week right inside ClickUp.